What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best electric pressure washers to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Get set to do your dirty work with the Karcher Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1800 watts of power, Karcher Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Karcher Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Karcher Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Karcher Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture, and cars, Karcher Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Karcher Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Karcher Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. Karcher Joe from Sun Joe.
The Karcher K5 Full Control Pressure Washer is a high-performance cleaning machine designed for both residential and commercial use. It is powered by a robust 2,100-watt motor that can generate up to 145 bar of water pressure, making it an excellent choice for cleaning tough surfaces such as driveways, patios, and vehicles. The K5 Full Control Pressure Washer features an innovative LED display that allows users to adjust the water pressure according to the cleaning task at hand. This feature ensures that the user has full control over the cleaning process, enabling them to achieve excellent cleaning results on various surfaces. Another outstanding feature of this pressure washer is its plug and clean detergent system. This feature allows the user to apply detergents effortlessly, as they don't have to handle any messy containers or mix chemicals manually. The plug and clean system make it easy to switch between different detergents, depending on the cleaning task at hand. The K5 pressure washer comes with a high-pressure hose that is 10 meters long, making it easy to reach every corner of the cleaning surface. The pressure washer also features a Vario power spray lance that allows the user to adjust the water pressure quickly, depending on the cleaning task at hand. Additionally, it has a dirt blaster spray lance that generates a powerful, rotating jet that can remove even the most stubborn dirt and grime. In terms of design, the Karcher K5 Full Control Pressure Washer is compact, lightweight, and easy to store, making it ideal for both residential and commercial use. It also features a water-cooled motor that ensures a longer lifespan, making it a cost-effective investment in the long run. Overall, the K5 pressure washer is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance cleaning machine that is easy to use and offers excellent cleaning results. Its innovative features, such as the LED display, plug and clean system, and Vario power spray lance, make it a versatile and reliable tool for all your cleaning needs. The Greenworks 3000 PSI electric pressure washer is a powerful and eco-friendly cleaning tool that can handle a wide range of outdoor cleaning tasks. With its 13-amp motor, it can generate up to 3,000 psi of water pressure and 2.3 gallons per minute of water flow, making it ideal for heavy-duty cleaning applications. This pressure washer is designed to be easy to use and operate, with a convenient on-off switch and an ergonomic spray gun that reduces hand fatigue during long cleaning sessions. The 25-foot high-pressure hose gives you plenty of reaches to clean large areas, while the onboard detergent tank allows you to apply soap or other cleaning solutions directly to the surface you're cleaning. One of the best things about the Greenworks 3000 PSI is its eco-friendly design. Unlike gas-powered pressure washers, it doesn't produce harmful emissions or contribute to air pollution. It also runs quietly, making it a good choice for use in residential areas where noise can be a concern. In addition to its eco-friendly benefits, this pressure washer is also easy to maintain. The electric motor doesn't require oil changes or regular maintenance like gas engines do, and the unit's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to store when not in use. Overall, the Greenworks 3000 PSI electric pressure washer is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful and eco-friendly cleaning tool. Its high water pressure and flow rate make it ideal for a wide range of outdoor cleaning tasks, from washing cars and boats to cleaning driveways, sidewalks, and outdoor furniture. And with its easy-to-use design and low maintenance requirements, it's a convenient and practical choice for homeowners and professionals alike. The Ryobi 2000 PSI electric pressure washer is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool that can tackle a variety of outdoor cleaning tasks. With a maximum pressure of 2000 psi and a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute, this pressure washer is capable of blasting away dirt and grime from driveways, decks, and sidewalks. One of the standout features of this pressure washer is its electric motor, which offers a quieter and more environmentally friendly alternative to gas-powered models. The motor is also low maintenance and starts up quickly, making it easy to use even for beginners. The Ryobi 2000 PSI also comes with a range of useful accessories, including a 25-foot high-pressure hose, a spray wand with an adjustable nozzle, and a soap applicator. The adjustable nozzle allows you to easily switch between different spray patterns, from a narrow jet for stubborn stains to a wider fan for more general cleaning. Overall, the Ryobi 2000 PSI electric pressure washer is a reliable and efficient tool that can help you tackle a wide range of outdoor cleaning tasks with ease. Its combination of power, versatility, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for homeowners looking to keep their outdoor spaces clean and well-maintained. The WHOLESUN 3000 PSI electric pressure washer is a powerful cleaning tool designed for both residential and commercial use. With its 3000 psi and 2.4 GPM, it can easily blast away dirt and grime from surfaces such as concrete, wood, and metal. Equipped with a 20-foot high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord, it provides ample reach for cleaning large areas without the need for an extension cord. The washer also comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, allowing for easy adjustment of the spray pattern for different cleaning tasks. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store and transport. So that's it for the top 5 best electric pressure washers to buy right now. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.